Pouring it. The wheat mite. Pouring it. The wheat mite. All inside the oatmeal. Be careful what y'all buy in the stores. These wheat mites is all in the oatmeal. Look at this. They're everywhere. Look at them. Crawling live. These are wheat mites. They come off wheat. Hundreds. Just wanted y'all to see that. Be careful. This is maple oatmeal. Look at them. They crawling everywhere. Wheat mite. Be careful what y'all feeding your kids. It's in this here. Plain Quaker's oat. Wheat mites everywhere. Look at them. They crawling all through the oatmeal.